Hey YouTube. Hey. Oh man. Ugh. Oh gosh. It has been what? This is day 3? Yeah, I would say day 3. I have been in the house since late Saturday night on up until today, which is Tuesday. And I've been out the house but not driving anywhere. I basically have gone out the house in my complex and to shovel my car out, and basically thinking that I'm going to shovel my car out and I'm going to be able to go out to work this morning. That didn't happen this morning. I wound up shoveling my car out, getting stuck because the man that my complex pays to move the snow, he came through last night and he compacted some snow in front of my car. And me thinking, oh yeah, I can be able to still get out. That did not happen at all. I wound up having to try to see if I can go backwards or forwards to get out. I wasn't able to. I took the plastic shovel that I do have, because mind you, at this point, the snow has turned into ice, because where I live at, we didn't just get snow, we got snow and sleet. So it's turned into ice. I'm thinking the plastic shovel that I have, I can just pound the snow / ice and be able to move it from underneath my tires. No, that wasn't happening. It was so compacted ice underneath the car that I could not move it at all. So what I wound up doing is doing as much as I could, turning the car on, trying to go backwards and forwards. So I wound up having to call my father. I had to wait for him to come. And when he came, him and one of the neighbors that lived in one of the other buildings in my complex wound up, excuse me, because I'm yawning. I shouldn't be tired, but I am. Wind up taking a metal shovel and breaking the ice up underneath the wheels, and they had to keep doing that, and I had to keep reversing and driving forward. And in the midst of all that, my father also told me that the roads are terrible, because it's so much ice on the ground that Public Works hasn't really been able to get a lot of this ice up off the ground, so it's ice everywhere. So in a nutshell, I made up my mind to just stay in the house for another day and not go out to work. Mind you, I'm sitting up here trying to figure out other ways to make money on my phone, so that way I can still have some money coming in. All the ways that I'm thinking about, the money is not going to come in quickly. It'll be a little bit of money, but not a whole lot of money. So, and it's a slow process. Excuse me. I'm yawning. Ooh. Because I guess all I've been doing basically since I've been in the house, I've been eating, sleeping, watching YouTube videos, catching up on some episodes of The Godfather of Harlem since I haven't seen that in a while. Haven't been really doing too much of anything. And I don't know. It's just like been just in my lazy moment. But I have been doing a lot of cooking though. A whole lot of cooking. Which is good because since been working so much, I haven't been doing as much cooking. But since I've been in the house, I've been doing a whole lot of cooking. Made some fried chicken, made some tacos, fixed some fried potatoes, fixed some, those sausage links, fixed some of those, scrambled some eggs, thinking about making some spaghetti one of these days, because I did get some stuff to make spaghetti, and thinking about making some other stuff too, making some barbecue chicken, and I need to make a salad because I got some stuff to make a salad. So it's a couple things that I still want to make that I haven't made yet while I've been in here and haven't been out working. But because last Friday I went and I went and spent more money than I wanted to spend, but I spent a lot of money at the grocery store last Friday, which is good because basically didn't know how long I was going to be in here because of the snow. But yeah, that's how everything has been going for me since this whole snow thing has been going on. I hope everybody else has been fine. Everything has been okay. And your week has been fine. Hopefully I'm going to try again to see if I can get back out. I'm hoping that they're talking about it's snowing on Saturday. I'm really hoping that we don't get a lot of snow. I'm really hoping that we don't, because we're already trying to clean up what happened on Sunday. So I'm hoping we don't get a lot of snow, but we just don't know because the wintertime, and the wintertime is very unpredictable. But I'm hoping that all of you are okay. You're all right. You have enough food and shelter and things that you need in order for you to, stay warm and be comfortable and being able to relax and do the things that you need to do. But until my next video, this is more so a rambling video about the update of what's been going on with me. But until my next video, I hope everybody take care, be blessed, and continue on. All right. Bye-bye.